How to open account in Tradestation. So the first step is to simply go to tradestation.com, and as you can see in the top right corner you have this button which is open account. Simply click on that button and then you're gonna get redirected here. So simply click on sign up, and then here you're gonna have to simply enter your first name, your last name, your country of legal residence, and the state or province. Here you're gonna have to simply enter your email address and then your phone number. Now here you're gonna have to simply create a username and a password and then simply click on next. Now on the next step you're gonna have to enter some personal information, as you can see. Then you're gonna have to enter some employment information, financials, and then you're gonna see a summary and some agreements that you're gonna need to approve, and then you're gonna be finished, and then you can start using TradeStation. So basically that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.